What if I told you you don't need to learn coding right now, right? You don't need to become technical, but you can build systems that save you 10 plus hours per week. That's what Claude Code allows you to do right now. And today I'm going to break it down so simple anyone can understand it. Most people can understand it, right? So we're going to begin. So Claude Code made simple, turn ideas, systems into results. So this is for founders, small business owners. So let's get into it. So right now, some people are using AI completely wrong, right? They open ChatGPT or Claude or something and they type something random, right? They put copy the answer and then they do it again tomorrow and the next day and so on. That's not really leverage, right? That's manual work with AI. And the reason people stay stuck is because they never built a system for the AI. So here's the shift, right? AI is not just a chatbot right now. It's a coworker. And when you start thinking like that, everything can start changing for when you're using AI, right? Because instead of asking for answers, you start giving instructions to the AI. So you could build system to create a structured instruction framework and then save the instruction and store prompts and parameters reliable so it can store the instruction that you give it so that it can know what to do, where can it go, any barrier that it may have, like can it go to the webs to the internet and just get documents, or you put a limit on it, and then you could reuse your workflow without always having to prompt in it every time. So you could just call on that specific thing you did, the skill, the instruction that you want to have, and then you could just do it. And then consistent results, so you keep having the more reliability when you do it like this. So you want to have a system for that. So exactly what is Claude Code? Claude Code is created by Anthropic. It's a tool that lets you control your computer using AI, right? So let me simplify that. Instead of clicking around, you just type what you need, what you want, and it builds it for you. You could build apps, you could build different things using this tool. It writes files, organizes systems, and run tasks automatically. So now you might hear words like terminal or CLI. I don't want you guys to necessarily think too much about this or overthink it. It's just like a window, right? A place where you type instructions instead of clicking buttons. So think of it like this: Chat GPT, but with control over your computer. Now, two important words. You have prompt. So this is what you tell the AI to do. And then you have context, what the AI can see. So if the AI sees more, it performs better. That's why structure matters. So the more you give it, the more context you give it, the more it can perform better and give you better output for your desired outcome using the AI. So now this is where most people level up. You have repository or repo. It's just a folder, but not just any folder, right? It's where your system lives. Inside that folder is everything your AI needs. So you have code base, which is all your files, file tree, how they are organized. So instead of chaos or making it look messy, if you have more structure. Let's simplify AI terms. So you have model, which is the brain. You have token, which is pieces of text. You have inference, when AI gives an answer. You don't need to master this. Just understand AI reads things and responds. Now, this is where it can get even more powerful or more better. An agent is an AI that can take multiple steps, and a workflow is a repeatable system. So instead of doing things manually, you build a system once and let AI run it. Things break sometimes in the AI, and that's normal, right? You have bug is some when something goes wrong. You have debug fixing it, and you have refactor improving it. You don't need to panic when you see these things come up. You just guide the AI And you have shell command, what you type. You have script, saved instructions. And you want to think of scripts like reusable actions, automated. And you have environment, where things are running. You have dependency, tools your system needs. You don't need to go deep here. Just know everything runs inside a setup. Just git, git, it tracks changes. You have commit, save point, you have branch, different version, you have merge, combine version. Think of it like saving versions of your system. Think you have pull requests, request to add changes. You have version control, the full history of your edits. You have test LinkedIn, basically checks for correctness, and clean code. This is the most important part. Claude.md, where you tell AI how to respond, who it's for, what the goal is. Without this, you get random results. With this, you get consistency. So here's the simple system. Claude.md, instructions, raw input, scripts, the outputs are the final results. That's a simple system. Some people will say, make me content, but people who win say, run my system. That's the word. If you want my exact setup, my repo template, my claude.md system, and my 10-hour AI workflow, comment AI, and I'll send it to you.